against any resistance. Now the question arises that the same strength we apply in all the activities, in all the actions, in all the movements, whether the activities are of many types. There is a huge variety of activity we perform in day-to-day life. Similarly, sometimes we have to catch, sometimes we have to sit, sometimes we have to throw, sometimes we have to hold something, sometimes we have to lift something, we have to run, we have to climb up. Many ways we have to apply strength in day-to-day routine. This strength can be classified into two types. The first one is static strength and second one is dynamic strength. Firstly, just discuss about static strength. What does it mean? Static strength is also known as isometric strength. Isometric is a combination of two words, iso and metric. It is the ability of muscle to act against resistance when the body is not in motion. First of all, isometric word is a combination of two words. Iso stands for the same and metric stands for length or measurement. Static strength can be measured by dynamometer, a different kind of equipment or apparatus in which we try to measure the capacity or the power of your body muscles by lifting or pressing that particular equipment where the readings will be on the screen. The types of strength is not seen directly. That means static strength, when we apply against resistance, it cannot be seen directly because there is no change in the shape and size of muscle. Static strength is not usually applied in every game. It is rare of the rarest where we have to apply this type of strength. But in weightlifting, it is very, very essential. While we have to sustain a holding position in yoga asanas, is very, very important. If we have to chin up the bar, it is very, very important. If we have to stand for a long duration, it is very, very essential. So it is applied in phases. Phases like we have to lift a weight. Directly we cannot lift that particular weight. That time we have to make a stance first. If the weight is heavy, that time we have to give a command to our muscles that the resistance would be very heavy, so you have to apply more force. For example, holding position of all yoga asanas comes under static strength. Static strength which we apply in stationary position, also known as isometric type of strength.